Good morning children, this is Vikesh from Mohammed Razi School Jhansi. As you know that we have already completed chapter number 2, that is a microorganism friend and foe. So today we will take a recap of the whole chapter. In this chapter we have discussed the different type of microorganisms are there. They are bacteria, fungi, protozoa and algae. The bacteria example is spiral shape and rod shape. Fungi, that is a bread mold, penicillium, aspergillus. Then protozoa, amoeba, paramecium, and algae, chlamydomonas and spirogyra. Afterwards we have discussed that microorganism and uses. There are two uses. One is a beneficial and second one is a harmful use. Then in useful microorganism we have discussed commercial uses, medicinal uses, agriculture uses and environmental uses. In commercial uses we have discussed making bread, in alcohol beverages making curd and cheese. In medicinal uses we have discussed making antibiotics, making vaccines, making food supplement. In agriculture we have discussed about the nitrogen fixation. Then in environmental use we have discussed wastewater treatment, cleaning oil spillage and natural cleanness. Then in the harmful microorganism we have discussed the causing disease in human being, animal and plant, and the food spoilage. So in disease causing microorganism we have discussed about in human beings. Then in animals we have discussed food and mouth disease, that rinderpest and anthrax. And in plant we have discussed the citrus canker, rust of wheat, apple scab and septoria leaf blotch. Then we have discussed how the microorganism spoil the food and what are the conditions required for the food spoilage, that is a moderate warm temperature, air and moisture. Then we have discussed to prevent the food spoilage, we have discussed the food preservation, in which we have discussed the different method. The one is a boiling, second one is a drying, third one is a refrigeration, fourth one using chemicals, the next one that using salt, sugar and vinegar, and the last one we have discussed about the pasteurization. And if you remember, I will give you this table to complete. I hope everybody has completed. At the last I will show you the all worksheet which I have given you time to time. That is one worksheet, that is second one worksheet which I have given you, and this is third one another worksheet, and this is a last and final worksheet. So please complete all these worksheet. When school will open we will discuss all these worksheets in the classroom. As you know that we are discussing about the microorganism, so I thought let's see and let's discuss about the COVID-19 also. Actually this is a structure of a virus. If you can see, their outer layer is made up by the protein or lipid envelope, and all are these things found, and inside that there is a RNA. Okay, as you know that we are facing for the pandemic disease, that is coronavirus or COVID-19. Actually what is COVID-19? Coronavirus disease, COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. It belongs to the coronavirus family, which also include the SARS virus. COVID-19 primarily infected the lungs first. First they start multiply like 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, and increase their numbers and start infecting persons. Person get pneumonia and ARDS. ARDS is a acute respiratory distress syndrome, in which the person cannot take the oxygen properly and lead to death. Actually they block the lungs and lungs are not able to take oxygen properly. Now what are the symptoms? Symptoms are that mild fever, cough, headache, feeling shivering and problem in taking oxygen. Many of time you will listen that everybody will ask to wash your hand regularly. Why? I will tell you. Because it is a communicable disease, by touching it can spread. So if we wash our hand, virus will die. Now the question will arise, how it will die? By washing hand. When you wash your hand with soap or use sanitizer, you will break the ball of the virus, which is made up by the protein or lipid. If you can see, protein or lipid, they all just like a fat. I will give you a small example. Just apply oil on your hand and wash your hand with simple water. What will happen? Oil will not remove from your hand, but as you can use soap, you find oil will remove from your hand very easily and your hand will be no oil. Similarly, applying soap will break or dissolve the wall of virus and virus will die. So wash your hand regularly, keep distance, be safe at your home. Very soon we will meet in the school. Thank you.